Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to use a Paysafe card without an account. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to answer it for you all. Before we get started, I want to make it clear that I am not affiliated with Paysafe in any way. I am simply sharing my own personal experience and knowledge on this topic. What is a Paysafe card? Paysafe cards are prepaid cards that can be used to make online and offline purchases. They are available in a variety of denominations and can be purchased at retailers such as Walmart, Target, and Best Buy. Why would you want to use a Paysafe card without an account? There are a few reasons why you might want to use a Paysafe card without an account. One reason is that it can be a good way to stay anonymous online. When you use a credit card or debit card, your personal information is attached to the transaction. With a Paysafe card, you don't have to provide any personal information. Another reason to use a Paysafe card without an account is that it can be a good way to control your spending. You can only spend the amount of money that you put on the card, so you don't have to worry about overspending. How to use a Paysafe card without an account? Now that we know why you might want to use a Paysafe card without an account, let's talk about how to do it. The first step is to purchase a Paysafe card from a retailer. Be sure to choose a card that is the correct denomination for your needs. Once you have your Paysafe card, you will need to find a website or merchant that accepts Paysafe cards. There are a number of websites that accept Paysafe cards, including Amazon, eBay, and PayPal. Once you have found a website or merchant that accepts Paysafe cards, you will need to enter the card number and PIN code. The card number is located on the front of the card, and the PIN code is located on the back of the card. Once you have entered the card number and PIN code, you will be able to make a purchase. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for using a Paysafe card without an account. Be sure to keep your Paysafe card in a safe place. Do not share your Paysafe card number with anyone. If you lose your Paysafe card, you can contact Paysafe customer service to report it lost or stolen. I hope this blog post has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.